Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solution. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Python in our PC. So first we have to open our browser and we have to go to Python's website. So we have to enter python.org in the URL address. And on reaching the Python's website, we have to go into the Downloads tab and we have to choose our operating system and we have to hit the respective download button. Once the download has been finished, we can now install the file. Here we can choose where the Python should be installed. We can browse the path and then hit the install now button. Since I have already installed Python, I am currently cancelling the setup progress. Now we have to enter jetbrains.com under the URL address and we have to download PyCharm. PyCharm is one of the widely used Python IDE. So on reaching the PyCharm's website, JetBrains, we have to go into the Tools tab and we have to hit the PyCharm button. Then we have to hit the download button. And now we can see that there are two choices. One is professional one and one is the community one. The professional one is paid and it has more features than the community one. So currently we will be installing the community version and we can hit the download button now. Now the download has been started. Once the download is completed, we can install the PyCharm. Here we can customize the PyCharm installation. Here we can choose the start menu folder.